Okay guys, hey, what's up? Today I want to show you how to remap the Copilot key back to Control. So just real quick, some laptops now made by Microsoft come with a built-in key that opens Copilot instead of a right control, which is a very deliberate choice, I'm sure. But if you're like me and you keep hitting that Copilot key on accident to hit right control, and are presented with Copilot over and over again, you really want to change that back to a right control button. Before we dive into how to do that, there's something really important to understand. The Copilot key actually sends a combination of 3 different keys in quick succession to the operating system. So when you have the function lock off, basically on your keyboard, there's going to be a function button. If it's turned off and you hit the Copilot key, what it's actually sending to the operating system is Windows left key, then Shift left key, and then F23. So it's not just one key when you click this Copilot key, it's 3 in a row. Okay, so that's really important to understand. When the function lock is on, so let's say you have a function button and you leave it on, like your personal preferences to have that enabled, then when you hit the Copilot key, it's actually only going to send one keystroke to the operating system, which is this apps menu one. So if you want to make sure that you are actually making this Copilot key become the right control key comprehensively, you have to do 2 things. So we're going to go to an app called PowerToys and we're going to do 2 things basically. So let's just go there really quick. PowerToys is an app made by Microsoft to basically like provide you ways to customize stuff on your operating system. And so it's really nice. Like you can do a bunch of different things with it. Maybe I'll make a different video about that. But for now, all you need to do is download that, okay, onto your computer. And the first step is you go to Keyboard Manager. Okay, so that's all we're going to do today is Keyboard Manager. You need first is to add a shortcut. So here, let me pull this up. Okay, so there are many ways to install this. I'm going to do it via GitHub, I guess. So you can just go to their latest release and then first link x64. That'll work for most computers. Okay, it's downloaded. Let's just run it. Okay, so you're presented with this. Of course, you agree. So it's going to install it. And it always says preview for some reason. I don't know why, but it's very widely known. And I know that Microsoft maintains it. So yeah, I don't know why it says preview, but we'll see. Okay, nice. So that installed. Let's close it. Let's just open it again. PowerToys should be there, hopefully. Oh, there it is. It's opening it already. Really, the only place you need to go is Keyboard Manager. Okay. And then I guess you need to let this operate on your keyboard. Okay, so let's click this on. All right. So we're not going to do remap yet. We're going to do remap a shortcut, because that's what the Copilot key is sending is 3 different keys. So when you click on the add shortcut, you could just hit your Copilot. You could just click this and hit your Copilot key on your keyboard. I do not have a Copilot key on this keyboard specifically, but let me pretend. Okay, so let's say you hit your Copilot key. It should fill this in for you. Windows left, Shift left, F23. So now your action that you want it to do is you can just select, scroll up a little bit here, control right or control left. I've just seen on other videos like control left, but honestly, you could probably just make it right. And then you just click OK. Okay, nice. So that is now mapped to control, back to the right control specifically. Honestly, on most keyboards and OSs, it doesn't matter which control, but maybe yours is very particular and you want it to be the right control specifically. That's how you would do that. Okay, so next is the key. Okay, so that was to remap the shortcut if you're not using function lock. If you are using function lock, so if it's enabled with the light on, you need a second thing, which is to remap a key. Okay, so let's do that. So let's go to remap the key, add the key, and then select. You can find it if you scroll through here, or you can just click the button, which is apps menu. Let's just find it. There it is. Okay. So apps menu, all you want to do then is send it to right control. There it is. Okay, and that's it. Select OK. The warning, and then it'll say, you don't have any more like an apps button. Honestly, if you use that a lot, you can keep it, I guess, but main thing here now, I guess, since you have a Copilot key, is you have to choose Rec Control or Apps. But more than likely you would want it to be the Control key. So let's continue. And that's it. Now you have done everything you need to remap this Copilot key back to a Control key. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it helps you. If it does, feel free to leave a like or a comment if you have questions. And I'll see you in the next one.